7. Car number 888 under the count. That is Phil Floyd. Car number 94 under the count is Brittany Cook. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Let's go, folks. We're down to 4 cars, folks. Oh, she's not a Barbie girl anymore. Brittany didn't like that one. She's going to maybe line it up here, I think. Or... Oh, 171. Just smashed Gordon Newman. Well, that's it. Okay. Oh Jesus, fuck! Holy fuck! Okay. Is the white guy still in his car? Tell him to get out now. Yeah, quickly, look at me.
No! Come on, let's go! It's all gonna overheat.
Okay, let's go, folks.
Woo,
Car 171 driven by Zach McCormick. He's up and running with 2 other cars on the corner. We need to get 03 out of the way. So remember, second place guys can get out. Oh, there you go, Zach. There. We're down to 2 cars. 04 driven by Roy Tennant and 171 driven by Zach McCormick. 2-car field here. Nice hit. Roy Tennant lighting up Zach McCormick. Is lining up for the kill shot on Roy Tennant here. Roy's paying positive and catch him around the corner. But that's him right there. Ring around the rosy. You guys are making me dizzy out here. Let's get a hit. Both cars under the count. Need to make a competitive hit within 60 seconds. 04, last competitive hit. 171 still under the hit count. They're like 2 rabid dogs fighting over a bone, folks. Car 171 driven by Zach McCormick. Car 04 driven by Roy Tennant. These cars don't want to quit, folks. Here you come. Here you go, folks. Watch this. Oh, what a hit. Zach says, I can do you one better than that, Roy. Here it comes. Roy says, no way, Zach. I got your back. I think we're locked together. Zach maybe having an issue. Okay, we've been counted out. We'll get official word on our